Hey everyone, just wanted to show you how to get past this failed to compile error. I've been searching for a solution for a while, but eventually I figured it out myself, and I figured might as well make a tutorial about it, just brief, should be pretty quick. So basically, what the problem is usually is just that the model needs to be exported with the armature itself or the rig, so you won't get that error. So for here, for example, I just downloaded the Windranger model and I did a slight modifications to the cape, made it shorter so we could see that it's different from the original. And when I export it, just make sure I select the object I want with the armature, and export FBX. Have selected objects selected, so it only exports those models, that model. And then we go back to our workshop here, and then we'll select the mesh, the correct mesh, and it'll probably ask you for the materials. I'm just using the normal materials that came with the default Windranger model. Click next, then you should get import successful, and as you can see here, we have our tiny cape. Hope this was helpful. Have a good one, guys.